guys gone crazy about this meme video, and all of you want this video, want to make your video, your meme. So for this, I was thinking, why not making this video for you? Otherwise, this will be a discrimination. So I'm not inside of discrimination. That's why I'm making this video for you. So stay connected and please do subscribe. I was like sweating to make this video because it's extreme hot in my area and I have no AC in my room. Let's get it started. So first of all, you have to know the steps. First you have to have an account of Discord, and then you can make this. So what we should do, we'll do now we'll search on VIGGLE. We will search in Google viggle.com, and here is the VIGGLE. So we should join beta 2 because beta 1 is not accept invite, and wait for a while. So we'll go to animate/animate and we'll import image there, and I have my image. I have already prepared this to make this video. That video I made earlier, and we'll select this picture, drag and drop, and then here we can add motion prompt. We copied this earlier and pasted now. Lil Yachty stage entrance, and we'll add the background from template. Here from template we'll add this, and the fine tune will be on, and just hit enter, and then we have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Then we'll get the video. The AI will provide us the video, and this is our video. Let's see how it's look like. It's great. Wow, just see how the AI worked, and it works so fast and so smooth. I just love this. You can see how I'm dancing. So you'll download from here, click download. Please comment your meme video which is done by following this video, and then I'll be happy to see that. And please do subscribe, do share to your friends, so that they also can make this meme video using their face. And I'll be happy if you subscribe and follow more. I'll be create more thing for you, and thank you.